chapter, that is chapter number 4, operation on fraction. Operation on fraction. This is a fourth chapter, third chapter we have completed. Okay, so now how to convert improper fraction into mixed fraction. Oh, wait a minute. Okay, so here let's recall what is meant by proper fraction, improper fraction, mixed fraction, what are reciprocal, that all have to be learned in this chapter. Okay, so what is meant by proper fraction then? So fraction in which numerator is smaller than the denominator, in which numerator is smaller than the denominator. Okay, so what is meant by proper fraction? This, so fraction in which the numerator is smaller than the denominator is called as proper fraction. Proper means the numerator is smaller. See, in this case, in this example, 3 is smaller than 7. 3 is numerator, right? And 7 is denominator, right? Now 3 means numerator is smaller than the denominator. This is known as proper fraction. This is known as proper fraction, where numerator is smaller than the denominator. Now what is meant by improper fraction then? What is meant by improper fraction? So fraction in which numerator is greater than denominator is known as improper fraction. See, in this case, numerator is smaller, right? Numerator is smaller means upper part is smaller than the lower part. Okay, so 3 is smaller than the 7, right? Now fraction in which numerator is greater than the denominator is called as an improper fraction. Here numerator is bigger and denominator is smaller. So the fraction in which numerator is greater than the denominator is called as improper fraction. Okay. Now what is meant by mixed fraction then? A fraction having an integral part and a fractional part is called as mixed fraction. This is known as integral part. See, for example, 7, 1 upon 3. Now 7 is an integral part and this 1 upon 3 is a fractional part. Okay. So fraction having an integral part. See, in this case, 7 is an integral part, 1 upon 3 is fractional part. So fraction having an integral part and fractional part is called as mixed fraction. Is called as mixed fraction. Okay. So understood everyone? Means what? Proper fraction means what? Numerator is greater than the denominator is known as proper fraction. Okay. Numerator is greater than the denominator. Numerator is smaller than the denominator, that is known as proper fraction. If numerator is greater than denominator, improper fraction. Here integral part and a fractional part is there, that is known as mixed fraction. Now what is meant by reciprocal? Reciprocal are known as multiplicative inverse. Here one new term is there, don't be confused. Okay, don't get confused. Reciprocal are also known as multiplicative inverse. I'll tell you how. Wait a minute. So if for example 2 is there, okay, sorry. So see, for example, if 2 is there, okay, 2 is there. Now the reciprocal of 2 is 1 upon 2. Reciprocal of 2 is 1 upon 2. Okay, reciprocal का meaning क्या है? 1 means fraction is there. Fraction is there. उल्टा होना उसका. जैसे 2 है. 2 means what? 2 upon 1. We can write 2 as 2 upon 1. Right? Now, if reciprocal means what? Exactly invert. Mirror, do you know when you see your image in water? So what happened? Your leg, if your image like this, but if you can see in the water, what is happen? आप पूरा खड़े हो रिवर के पास और अगर आपको आपका इमेज दिख रहा है तो वो कैसे दिखता है? आपका सर वहां पे दिखता है और पैर यहाँ पे दिखते हैं, राइट? So that means what? Inverse. So reciprocal, if 2 upon 1 is there, so reciprocal of 2 upon 2 is what? 1 upon 2. Understood? Okay, now if 1 upon there, if 1 upon 4 is there, so what will be the reciprocal of 1 upon 4? 1 upon 4 का reciprocal क्या होगा? So that means what? It is 4 upon 1, right? Ulta, 1 upon 4 का उल्टा क्या होगा? 4 upon 1, right? It's like invert. 1 upon 4 invert reciprocal in multiplicative inverse of any number is known as reciprocal. So if 1 upon 4 is there, so the reciprocal of 1 upon 4 is what? 4. Okay, 4 upon 1. 1 का denominator में कोई भी value नहीं रहता है, right? So we can write 4 upon 1 as 4. Or else you can write it as 4 upon 1. अगर आपको confusion है, then you can write it as 4 upon 1. Okay, so the reciprocal of 1 upon 4 is 4 upon 1, or else the reciprocal of 4 upon 1 is what? 1 upon 4. Have you understood, everyone? Have you understood? See, fraction in which numerator is smaller than denominator, proper. ऊपर छोटा नंबर है, नीचे बड़ा नंबर है, that is proper fraction. Similarly, exactly ulta, keep invert means the numerator is greater than the denominator, then it is improper fraction. Now what is mixed fraction? Here integral part is also there and fractional part is also there. Integral part as well as fractional part. It is known as what? Mixed fraction. And what is meant by reciprocal then? Reciprocal means inverse, multiplicative inverse. Okay, have you understood, everyone? Let me know in your chat box, have you understood, everyone? Yes? Okay, okay. Many of the students have said understood. If you listen it carefully and properly, no need to explain it again, okay? So very good. So many responses are there. Orav Sharma is saying no, teacher. It's not any difficulty in there in proper fraction, improper fraction, mixed fraction and reciprocal. Here if the numerator is smaller, then it is proper fraction. If numerator is greater, then it is improper fraction. If integral part is there and fractional part, जहाँ पे भी 1 upon 3, 2 upon 4, 5 upon 2 ऐसे part आता है, तो that is known as fractional part. So if integral part is there, fractional part is there, so that is known as mixed fraction. And if reciprocal means what? Multiplicative inverse, exactly invert, that is known as multiplicative inverse. Okay. Now let's move to another slide. Now if 7 conversion of an improper fraction, now we are going to learn about how to convert improper fraction into mixed fraction. Okay, so how to convert improper fraction into mixed fraction. Now tell me, I'm asking you one question, just give me answer fatafat in chat box. Okay, so 2 upon 5, this is proper fraction or improper fraction? 2 upon 5. Let me know in chat box. Very simple sum. 2 upon 5. Proper fraction, improper fraction. Very good, Nancy. Aditi, Bhumika, Shreya. Good. Ishita. Pragati, Aryan, Zan, Simran, Rishit, Ananya, Siddhi. Orav, no. Orav, it is not an improper fraction. How it is not an improper fraction? Because the numerator is smaller. If the numerator is smaller than the denominator, then it is known as proper fraction. Then it is known as proper fraction. Understood? Proper fraction. Good. Good responses, everyone. Very good. Okay. Now, if numerator is smaller than denominator, then it is known as proper fraction. Now, if 7 upon 5, this is an example of what? Improper fraction or proper fraction? Give me answer. This is an example of proper fraction or improper fraction. 7 upon 5. Proper fraction or improper fraction? Simran Bore. Simran Bore, I unmute you. Please unmute yourself and tell me whether it is proper fraction or improper fraction. 7 upon 5.
Proper fraction.
Now I told. If numerator is smaller than denominator, then it is an example of proper fraction. If numerator is greater than denominator, then it is an example of what?
Improper fraction.
Improper fraction. Yes, it is an example of improper fraction. Okay. It is an example of improper fraction. Very good responses, everyone. Okay, everyone is telling it is improper fraction. Correct. Improper. It is not improper. Samriddhi, it is not improper. It is improper. I-M-P-R-O-P-E-R. Improper. Samriddhi, improper. It is not improper. Okay. I-M-P-R-O-P-R-E. Improper. Okay. Okay, Simran, off your webcam. Okay, now conversion of this improper fraction into a mixed number. Now we have to convert this improper fraction into a mixed number. Now mixed number means what? If here 3 is there and 1/2 is there, means integral part is also there. This is an integral part and fraction is also there, right? Integral part is also there and fractional part is also there. Means dono hai yahan pe. Like for example, when we are doing khichdi in our home, only rice is there in that khichdi? No, right? What is there? Any dal is there, any rice is there, dal is there, means all mixed ingredients are there, right? So that means it is mixed, right? But so in this case, integral part, like in this case of mixed fraction, integral part is also there, 3 is also there, and fractional part is also there, 1/2. So this is known as mixed fraction. So what we are going to do here, we will convert that improper fraction into a mixed number naturally. Agar numerator greater than denominator, so it is an example of improper fraction, no doubt, right? Now we have to convert that improper fraction into what? Mixed number. Now how we are going to do this? Okay. So very simple. This is 7/2, right? 7/2. So let me share whiteboard with you. Okay, so that the concept will be clear more clearly. Okay, so this is our whiteboard. Okay, we have to convert improper fraction into a mixed fraction, right? What is our example? What was our example is 7/2, right? 7/2. Now we have to convert that improper fraction because 7 is greater. That's why it is improper fraction. Numerator is greater. Now how we are going to do this? We will divide this 7. 7/2 है, तो हम लोग 7 को किससे divide करेंगे? 2 से. Okay, we'll divide 7 by 2. Now if we will divide this 7 by 2, here it will come 7 and here it will come 2. Now 2 3s are 6. Very simple division is there, right? So 2 3s are 6, right? If I subtract this 6 from 7, so I'll get 1. Okay. So if I convert that fraction into a mixed fraction, so what is the denominator in 7/2? What is the denominator in 7/2? Let me know in chat box. 7/2. In 7/2, what is the denominator? Denominator क्या है? 7/2 में. Correct. Ananya, Ishita. It's not 1. How it will come? How it will 1? Here 7/2. 1 कहीं पे भी नहीं है. So 7/2. 7 is the numerator. Okay. And 2 is the denominator. Correct. 7 is the numerator. The upper part is known as numerator. Lower part is known as denominator. And if numerator is bigger than denominator, then it is known as improper fraction. So we have to convert this improper fraction into a mixed fraction, right? Now here the denominator is what? 2. Denominator is what? 2. So here we will write it 2 as it is. Okay, 2 हम जैसे के वैसा लिखेंगे. Now what is our quotient? Quotient क्या है हमारा? 3. Okay, so we will write quotient in this case, mixed fraction में. And what is our remainder? Remainder is our 1. So we'll write it as 1. Okay, again I repeat this. Please pay attention. Again I repeat this. See, In 7 upon 2, 7 is our numerator, right? 2 is our denominator. Now we have to convert this improper fraction into mixed fraction. So we will divide the 7 by 2, right? Now this 7 get divided by 2. Now 2 3s are 6 and 1 is a remainder. So if denominator, you have to, whenever you will convert that improper fraction into mixed fraction, your denominator, keep denominator as it is. हमने डिनोमिनेटर वैसे ही रखा, ठीक है. देन व्हाट इज आवर क्वोशिएंट? 3. क्वोशिएंट हमको यहाँ पे लिखना है. व्हाट इज आवर रिमाइंडर? 1. वो वहां पे चले जाएगा ऊपर. सो 3 1 upon 2. 3 1 upon 2. This is mixed fraction. This is mixed fraction. How we'll read it as 3 1 upon 2. 3 1 upon 2. Same example we'll do like this. Please note down this sum in your notebook. Okay, please note down. Okay, now if, let's see one more example. If 5 upon 2 is there, or else 5 upon 3 will take. Okay, now what will be our second step? 5 get divided by 3, correct? Now we will divide this 5 by 3. 5 by 3. Okay, we'll divide this 5 by 3. Now 3 1s are 3, right? 3 1s are 3, because 3 2s are 6. 6 cannot be subtracted from 5, right? Now 3 1s are 3, and 5 minus 3 is what are? 2. Okay. Now what is our denominator? We'll write it as 3 down. Okay. Now what is our quotient? It is 1, so it will comes to this side. What is our remainder? It is 2, and it will goes to up. So what will be our improper fraction? What will be our answer? 1 2 by 3. How we'll read it as? 1 2 by 3. 1 2 by 3. 1 2 by 3. Understood, everyone? Understood? Okay. Wait a minute. Okay. Understood, everyone? Let me know in your chat box if you understood it. Yes. Okay, very good. Very good. Very simple sums actually these are, right? Very simple sums. Okay. Please, if you... Okay. Okay, very good response, everyone. Okay. So, let's take another example. Convert into improper fraction means we have seen how to convert. Everyone please pay attention. Understood? Because after this lecture we will see in 5 to 10 minutes evaluation. We will do one evaluation, right? So please pay attention, everyone. I'll ask anyone. I'll unmute anyone and ask the question. Okay. So please be attentive. Now we have to convert improper. We have to convert this. This is an example of mixed fraction or improper fraction. Let me know. This is an example of improper fraction or mixed fraction. Please let me know in your chat box. Improper fraction or mixed fraction. Mixed fraction, correct. This is an example of mixed fraction. Why it is an example of mixed fraction? Because integral part is also there and fraction is also there, right? Fractional part is also there and integral part is also there. So that's why it is an example of mixed fraction, correct. Very good, everyone. Okay. Now how we are going to do this? Convert this mixed fraction into an improper fraction. Improper fraction. Okay. Now let's start. This is 5 1 upon 6. 5 1 upon 6. Okay. So 5 will write as it is, 5 plus 1 upon 6. 5 remain as it is and we'll add to this 1 upon 6. Okay. Now I told you we can write 5 as 5 upon 1. We can write 5 as 5 upon 1. Okay. plus 1 upon 6 remain as it is. Okay. Okay. Now what we are going to do is we will multiply this 5 by 6 and we will multiply this 1 by 6 again. 5 into 6, 1 upon 6. Now why we are multiplying this 5 and 1 by 6? To get equal denominator. Okay. We will not do any addition, any subtraction of fraction unless and until we will get same denominator. हम लोग कोई भी फ्रैक्शन का एडिशन और सब्ट्रैक्शन नहीं कर सकते जब तक हमको इक्वल डिनोमिनेटर नहीं मिलता. फॉर एग्जाम्पल इफ 2 upon 3 is there, please pay attention everyone. 2 upon 3 is there plus 1 upon 3 is there. Okay. So here in this case both the numbers are having equal denominator. 2 upon 3 में 3 denominator है, 1 upon 3 में 3 denominator है, right? In both the fraction, denominators are same. So if the denominators are same, then we will add the numerator. Okay, then we'll add the numerator. Now 2 plus 1 is what? 3. So 3 it will come, and 3 is the denominator. Here also 3 is denominator. So we'll directly write 3 in the denominator. Again, I'll make you understand. See, if the denominator are same, here in 2 upon 3, 2 is numerator, here 3 is denominator. Here 1 is numerator, 3 is denominator, right? Now, if the denominators are same, so we'll write denominator as it is. Now, what are the numerator? 2 and 1, and addition sign is there. 2 remain as it is, plus sign hai yahan pe, so it plus sign will comes down and 1 will comes down. Now, 2 plus 1 is equal to what? 3. 2 plus 1 is equal to what? 3 upon 3. 3 upon 3 will be answer. But 3 upon 3, 3 को 3 से divide किया तो हमको answer कितना मिलेगा? 1 only, right? So in this way, if both the denominator will be same, then we will directly add the numerator. But if our denominators are different, then we cannot add the numerators. We cannot add. हमारे denominators अगर same है तो हम numerator को add कर सकते हैं. But if our denominators are different, then we have to convert the different denominator into same. हमको उनको साथ में लाना है. Okay. So we have to convert the denominator into same, different denominator into same denominator. Now in this case, 5 upon 1, 5 we can write it as 5 upon 1 plus 1 upon 6 remain as it is. But here 1 is denominator and here 6 is denominator, right? So both the denominators are different. So we have to convert the different denominators into same one, right? Now what we are going to do? We are going to do cross multiplication. Okay. So how this cross multiplication will happen? How this cross multiplication will happen? This 5 get multiply with 6. अगर ये फ्रैक्शन बोला कि मुझे मेरा 5 अगर 6 के साथ मल्टीप्लाई हो सकता है तो 1 बोला कि मुझे भी 6 के साथ ही मल्टीप्लाई होना पड़ेगा, बिकॉज दिस 5 गेट मल्टीप्लाई विथ 6, क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन. 5 get multiply with 6. So if 5 get multiply with 6, 1 also get multiply with 6. Okay. Wait a minute. Wait, just for a second. Wait a minute. Okay. Now 5 into 6, 1 into 6 plus 1 upon 6, 5 into 6. Now this part, 5 into 6 plus 1, 5 into 6 plus 1 upon, यहाँ पे भी 1 into 6 है, upon 6, it will comes down. Now 5 6 are 30, 30 plus 1 and then upon 6. I'll make you understand this. Please pay attention everyone. 5, 1 upon 6, 5, 1 upon 6. Okay. If 5, 1 upon 6 is there, okay, so We convert this first. Our first step is what? 5. So our first step is 5 remain as it is plus 1 upon 6. Okay. Now our next step is what? We can write 5 as 5 upon 1. Please, student, the steps are very important because in maths, the marks are there for steps. Okay. And this 1 upon 6 remain as it is. We write this 5 as 5 upon 1 and 1 upon 6 remain as it is, right? Now, here the denominator is 1, here the denominator is 6. Oh, so we have to convert that denominator, different denominator into same one. So what we are going to do? We will do cross multiplication. So in cross multiplication, I will multiply this 5 into 6. जब भी different denominators दिखते हैं तो हमको cross multiplication ही करना पड़ेगा. Now 5 into 6. Now if 5 get multiplied with 6, this 1 will also get multiplied with 6. So 1 also get multiplied with 6. Okay. ये 1 के साथ multiply नहीं होगा. ये अगर न्यूमरेटर 5 के 6 के साथ multiply हो रहा है तो डिनोमिनेटर उसका 6 के साथ ही multiply होगा. Okay. Plus now 1 into 6 means 6. So we'll get the same denominator. तो हमारा 1 upon 6 भी वैसे ही रहेगा. Now 5 6 are what? 30. And 1 into 6 means what? 1 into 6 is what? 6. Plus 1 upon 6 remain as it is. Here this 5 6 are 30. 1 into 6 is 6. Up plus 1 upon 6. Now the denominators are same or different? Denominators are same or different in this step? Please let me know. Denominators are same or different in this case? Same, right? Denominators are same. Correct. Denominator, that means you are attentive. Very good, students. So denominators are same. Now, if the denominators are same, what I'm going to do? I will write here 6 as it is, and the numerators will be added. Means what? 30 get added with what? 1. 30 get added with 1. Now 30 plus 1 is nothing but 31 upon 31 upon what? 6. 31 upon what? 6. So our answer will be 31 upon 6. Here one of the step is missing. What it is? That is 5 6 are 30. 5 6 are 30. 30 upon 6 plus 1 upon 6. Now, यहाँ पे आपको directly समझ में आ जाता है. If the denominators are same, we'll write 6 in denominator as it is, and now we'll add the numerator, that is 30 plus 1, right? Now 30 plus 1 means 31 upon 6. Understood everyone? Understood? Simple है. See, 5 will remain as it is. यहाँ पे breakup है ना इन दोनों का, 5 और 1 upon 6 का. तो 5 plus 1 upon 6. Now I'll write 5 as 5 upon 1 plus 1 upon 6. Now the denominators are different, so I will cross multiply it. 5 get multiplied with 6. Similarly, 1 get multiplied with 6 plus 1 upon 6 remain as it is. Now 5 6 are 30 upon 1 into 6 is 6 plus 1 upon 6 remain as it is. Now, if once we get the same denominator, we will write it as it is, and then we'll add the numerator 30 plus 1. Now 30 plus 1 is nothing but 31 upon 6. Please note down this sum in your notebook. This which I have shown you. This is, please note down this. I am giving you 1 minute to note down it. Huh? Please note down this. Note down this, everyone. Now let's move to the next slide. Wait. Now convert this into mixed fraction. Okay. So that example was convert into improper fraction, right? I'll give you one example to solve it. See, for example, 3, 1/2. How will you solve it? 3, 1/2. Again, what we are going to do is 3 remain as it is plus, okay, now we'll add the fraction that is 1/2, right? Now 3 means what? 3/1, right? Plus 1/2 remain as it is, right? Now I have this numerator, these denominators are same or different? Different, right? So we will convert that denominator into same so that we will cross multiply it. So I will cross this 3 into 2. If 3 get multiplied with 2, then 1 also get multiplied with 2. 1 into 2. Right? Plus this 1/2 remain as it is. Now 3 2s are 6 and 1 into 2 means what? 2, right? Plus this 1/2, right? Now 6 plus 1, here denominator is 2, here also denominator is 2. So here we'll write 2 as it is. Now 6 get added to 1. 6 plus 1 means 6 plus 1. Now 6 plus 1 is what? 7/2. Understood, everyone? Understood? Please let me know in your chat box. It's 7/2. Good. Okay, good. Jay is saying I am not understood, teacher. What is there in Jay? Please. 3 remain as it is plus 1/2 here. Now 3 I can write it as 3/1 plus 1/2. Clear है यहाँ तक? फिर यहाँ का डिनोमिनेटर 1 है, यहाँ का डिनोमिनेटर 2 है. So I will convert these different denominators into same. So to convert this different denominator into same, I will cross multiply. So 3 get multiplied with 2. If 3 get multiplied with 2, अगर न्यूमरेटर ने 2 के साथ मल्टीप्लाई किया है तो डिनोमिनेटर बोलेगा कि मुझे भी तेरे साथ चलना है, तो मैं भी 2 के साथ ही मल्टीप्लाई करूंगा. तो 1 भी 2 के साथ ही मल्टीप्लाई होगा. प्लस दिस 1/2 रिमेन एज इट इज. इसको किसी के साथ मल्टीप्लाई होने की जरूरत नहीं है. ठीक है. नाउ 3 2s are 6. 1 into 2 means 2 plus 1/2 remain as it is. Now our denominators are same, right? Both the denominators are same. So 2 remain as it is. Now we can add the numerator. अगर denominator हमारा same आया तो हम numerators को add कर सकते हैं. So 6 plus 1 is 7/2. So 7/2 will be our answer. Means we convert that 3 1/2 into improper fraction 7/2, where 7 is greater than 2, means numerator is greater than denominator. So this is an example of improper fraction where numerator is greater than denominator. If numerator is smaller than denominator, then it is an example of what? If numerator is smaller than denominator, for example, if 2/7 is there, if 2 is smaller than denominator, then it is an example of proper fraction. Very good. It is an example of proper fraction. Very good. Okay. So this is an example of proper fraction. But if numerator is greater than denominator, then it is an example of improper fraction. Clear, everyone? I hope everyone is clear about this. Okay. Okay, good. Good. Now Jay is saying I understood, teacher. Very good. Okay. Now let's move to the next slide. Convert this into mixed fraction. Now this is an example of improper fraction This is an example of improper fraction where numerator is greater than denominator. Okay, so we have to convert that into mixed fraction. We have to convert that into mixed fraction. अभी हमने mixed fraction का conversion किया improper fraction में. Now we have to convert that improper fraction into mixed fraction. Okay, mixed fraction, correct. So how we are going to do this? Okay, so I told you before this how to convert this. 30 by 7, we can write 30 by 7 as, see 30 upon 7 we can say it as 30 by 7. ठीक है, 30 upon 7 को ही हम लोग बोल सकते हैं 30 by 7. Okay, so this 30 by 7 means 30 upon 7. We divide this 30 by 7 means nothing but the 30 divided by 7. Now we divide this 30 by 7. Okay, so we divide this 30 by 7, right? Now how will divide it? 7 4s are 28. 7 4s are 28. Okay, when I subtract this 28 from 30, so the remainder is 2. So how I do this into mixed fraction? This 7 is the denominator, so it will remain as it is. Now I can take 4 as quotient and 2 as remainder, right? So where will be our quotient? Here will be our quotient and here will be our remainder. Understood? First step is what? 30 divided by 7. Okay. Then we will divide this 30 by 7. 7 4s are 28 and 2 is remainder. Now we write 4 quotient. यहाँ पे integral part में हमारा quotient आएगा. Okay. And the remainder will goes to up. Remainder will goes to up. Understood? Understood everyone? Okay. So numerator, when we divide this numerator by denominator, 7 4s are 28, 2 is remainder. Now our denominator remains as it is. We'll write our quotient means answer as an integral part and our remainder will goes to up means that will be our numerator. Understood everyone? Yes? Okay. Now move to next example, 7 upon 4. We can write 7 upon 4 as 7 divided by 4. Now if we divide 7 by 4, see 7 by 4. Okay. Now here 4 ones are 4, right? What will be our remainder? 3. Now what is the denominator over here? 4. That means it will comes down. Now what is our quotient? 1. So that will come to this side. And what is our remainder? 3. So that sorry, there was network issue. Okay, we'll continue our lecture. Okay. We'll continue. Sorry for disturbance. Okay. We'll continue with our lecture. Am I audible to everyone? There is go to participant, click on yes button. If yes, then. go to participant and click on yes button if I'm audible to you.
Hello.
Okay. Yes.